Hey everyone, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. I'm Ritika and today we are diving into the top 4 best WordPress header plugins. Let's get started. Number 1, WP Code. WP Code is easy, straightforward and one of the best WordPress header plugins. It has a user-friendly interface, comes with support for Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, custom CSS and more. It has options for adding any scripts or codes including JavaScripts and HTML. Number 2, header footer post injections. Header footer and post injections allows to insert custom code in the way you want before and after header and footer segments. Main purpose of this plugin is to inject code for several different plugins for different functionalities. Number 3, Header Footer Code Manager. It's one of the best header footer plugins. It provides easy to use interface for adding snippets to the header and footer on the website. In addition, unlimited number of scripts can be added. Number 4, Sticky Menu and Sticky Header. This plugin supports any element. You can make any element with class or ID to be sticky. You can easily position, customize, spacing and enable stickiness on any particular screen. Sizes. It also provides admin bar aware mode. This is to check if user has admin toolbar on the page. We also provide WordPress development services, so if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to BuddyDevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We will also add the link in the description below. You can also follow us on our other platforms. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Buddy Developers for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.